Dr. Squatch has recently faced a crisis with our customers coming in contact with sodium lauryl sulfate, sometimes referred to as SLS. This has caused an estimated 60,000 consumers to have an allergic reaction to the chemical. The chemical is introduced to the company because it's commonly used to make products bubble and foam, like in shampoos, shower gels, and facial cleansers and soaps. Dr. Squatch added this product for that reason, but has since learned that it has caused consumers to have an allergic reaction, leaving their skin sore and irritated. According to Cosmia Australia, while as SLS and SLES can cause skin irritations, skincare products include a variety of ingredients which can leave your skin feeling dry, sore, and irritated. Through research, Dr. Squatch has concluded that long-term use of SLS can cause irritations to the skin, eyes, and lungs, causing some people to develop eczema and dermatitis. Common side effects include painful cracking skin, dry and itchy skin, and hives. We are in the process of eliminating the chemical altogether and finding more natural ingredients to use in our products.
This can have a significant impact on the brand Dr. Squatch's reputation, since this has been released to a few news outlets and word has gotten out on social media. We've experienced several comments from customers online, all stating that they had a bad reaction to the sulfate as well. As we know, this is not good PR, nor should we ignore the claims and allegations against us. As a result of the media outbreak, we have lost 20% of our subscription users. We have since been monitoring our media impacts to try to minimize public's concern. We have ignored these concerns for too long. We have steps now in place to manage the crisis. Step 1 is to verify the situation and find out as much information as we can about it. Step 2 is to have a crisis plan intact. We will look at the severity of the situation, as well as identify our target audience and how to best reach them. And next, we will communicate to the public. Step 3 is to release information to our PR channels. Step 4 is feedback from the media coverage and our audience. Step 5 is to monitor the events. This includes the media and social media as well. As part of our risk management team, we have hired a risk manager, Alex Gonzalez, to speak about the incident. He will represent us publicly. He has been well informed on the situation and is ready and prepared to speak with the public. Alex studied at Florida State University and earned his bachelor's degree in political science and government. He worked at USI Insurance Services for almost 4 years. We are confident that Alex is the best person for this job. Our target audience is males 25 to 45, who make up 85% of our customers and is the most profitable age. This is the age group that is the most affected by the potential impact of the allergic reactions. It is important to address this group as quickly as possible through various social media outlets like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and ensure them that this matter will be resolved and answer any questions they may have in the future. We will also place a little apology during the Super Bowl because we know that their audience is mostly men. Today, Dr. Squatch has been faced with a crisis that we have heard about in the past but have ignored. This should have never happened, and we are sorry that it got to this point. Our whole mission is to create a product that is all natural, and we have failed at it. We should have done more research into the matter and fixed the problem as soon as it was brought to our attention. The health and safety of our customers are at our utmost importance. As someone who suffers from eczema himself, I wanted to create a product that would not further cause harm, but rather help to soothe the skin, It was never my intention to use a product that I would have not want to use on my own skin. As a result, many people have been affected by this, and I want to formally apologize to those who might have had a reaction, for it big or small. This will be fixed immediately. We have found more natural ingredients to use in the products and have done some extensive research on the effects of SLS. We will no longer be using this or any other harmful chemical in our products. My whole purpose in creating this company was to educate men on the importance of natural ingredients and the positive effects it can have on the skin with daily use. I know that this problem will never happen again. As you all know, we have faced a crisis on our hands, and I wanted to address you all as well. This was an honest mistake, and it will never happen again. We've added some new employees to help research ingredients to be added to new and future products in our company. I want to be as transparent as I can be. On July 5th, we added a new chemical to the products. Sodium lauryl sulfate was added to help create bubbles and foams in our products. But without research, it is the main cause of the crisis, and we're doing what we can to not only fix the problem, but to address it to the public as quickly and effectively as possible. We're also developing a better risk management team, which will be led by Alex Gonzalez, as well as implementing a plan to fix our brand's reputation. We have added some new PR tools and communication channels to help us get the message out to customers and stockholders. Externally, we need to address the situation by putting out a press release as well as posting an apology to our various social media accounts. Lastly, we need to release a video news release to address the crisis and inform the public of the steps we're taking to ensure that this will never happen again. Our internal communication will include crisis management team and peer-to-peer communications that will happen very soon. Management will also be sitting down with those employees in a risk management meeting to give you all of the information we know. We want to be there for our employees who may have questions or concerns themselves regarding this matter. We want them to know that we are doing what we can to minimize the situation. In conclusion, we now know the crisis that we are faced with and the impacts it may have on the company, including our brand reputation. We know the effects it has had on our customers and the media. We included a new risk manager, Alex, to help us get the right information out to the public, as well as identify our target audience and how to reach them. From this crisis, we've also made a public announcement to the media through our media package and talked with all of the employees. We've also identified the PR tools and communication channels that will be used to inform the public and the steps we're taking to ensure public's health and safety. We know this crisis will never happen to us, and any and all new employees will be made aware of this in the future.